All right, so let's quickly create a YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube, and on the bottom right, you will see a circle that says you. Now I'm on a channel here and I have several channels, but I have some Gmails that I have not used to open channel. So whenever any Gmail you have, you can open a channel. So I'm just clicking one of my Gmails. I want to use it to create a channel. So once you're on that profile where there's no channel, just click on that U again and it will bring you here. Then click on view channel and this is what you will see. Then click on edit channel on the right, on the top right. It will bring you here. So what you want to do, you want to add your channel name and your channel handle. I want to create a channel, a musical channel for myself. So all of this, I just thought of it because I didn't pre-plan it. I just wanted to create this tutorial class. So I just thought of it within a few minutes. So if you are the one, you need to do your research or you need to have an idea of what you wanted to do. So me, I'm creating a music channel just from out of the thin air. So I named my channel, gave it my name. So once I did that, I saved, then go to the handle and create an handle for it. That handle is like the address. It's like the address. Now that handle, when you give it a name of a handle that already exists, it will not accept it. So you need to keep modifying until it accepts the name that you want to give, or it will just modify it for you. It will put 2, 3, 4 or something. So I already did that. The name I chose was available. Now to the description of the channel. Now, if you are creating any channel, you should have had your description on ground. I am creating this one out of, I need to create a tutorial. So, well, I have an idea I want to do, so I just created it. Now, for a better description, you can make use of ChatGPT to help you. Just tell ChatGPT what you want to do with that channel and use it to, get a better description. Now, the next thing is to, add your profile picture. That circle in the middle on the top there. Click on it to take you to your gallery. If you have a profile picture already created, I have one here that I thought I would use, so I picked one of it and uploaded it. But eventually I changed it. So adjust it very well to fit into that circle. Ensure that it is looking good to you before you save the photo. The next thing you want to do is to change your banner. Now that banner is needs a lot more technicality. So what we'll do now, we'll go to ChatGPT to go and create a banner. So what I've just done is I described the channel to ChatGPT that I need a banner, be specific, because the dimensions of the banner are different. You can see that it's looking long, on the landscape. So, and I gave it a name and the description brought out this banner for me. So just download that arrow on the top there. I'll circle it. You to download it on your gallery. So I also decided that let me create a profile picture, a different profile picture. So I went ahead and attached another photo on ChatGPT, and then I now also added that for this same channel, use this image to create um a profile picture for me. Now all of this you can still do on Gemini app, you can do on Claude app. So but I'm using ChatGPT for this one, and then it created this nice profile picture for me following the color theme of the clothes that was on that thing and the name I gave it. So now we have our profile picture and our YouTube banner. So now we can download the same way you did, for the banner, the arrow on top there, I'll circle it. Just click on it and download the image to your gallery. So once that is done, just go ahead to your gallery and go and upload these images that you want to use. Now for you, if you are starting a faceless channel, all of these pictures you are seeing, all of these images you are seeing, they are all AI created. You can use AI to create everything, or you may use your picture, it's fine, not a problem. So back to our channel where we're already editing, back to the place where that circle, that use circle, then view channel. So back to edit your channel. We're already working on it. So I just went ahead, that circle in the middle on the top, which is for the profile picture. I went ahead and changed it to the new profile picture I created. Then the camera icon on the right, still on that place where there is banner on the top. All of this I'm doing is still on the top. Then I went ahead and clicked that camera icon and click on my banner. Adjust the image, because banner, applies to a lot of devices. There's a portion of your banner that will show on your phone. There's a portion that will show on your laptop. There's a portion that will show on your smart TV. So once you are doing it, you will see all of those inscriptions. That's all those squares you are seeing there. So try to adjust it well enough. I adjusted so that even my device will show a bit of my name. Banner is a bit technical, kind of. So I'm done with banner profile picture. Now let's upload our first video. It's as simple as that. The best thing for you to do is try as much as possible to create all of these things down before you start creating your channel. Have your channel name on ground, have your channel description on ground, have your channel profile picture on ground, have your channel banner, or have everything on ground, so that once you get there, you just copy and paste from wherever you have them, or attach those images, and just have everything already on ground, so that it is just you do it at once. You will not have to be doing what I'm doing now, trying to create all of those things in the middle of creating the channel. So as it is now, the channel is live. What I'm doing now, I want to post the first video to this channel. This video I created it with AI long ago. Everything is AI. The only thing that I did is compose the song. I composed the song, the tune of the song. So I just uploaded the audio onto my music creation app. If you are interested in that one, that's a different class. This one is a free class. That's a different class. I just uploaded it to my music video, and then it produced both the instrumentation and the voicing. And so I already had that video long ago. It is not so. Have your things ready on ground. So that's the video I'm creating. Now, before I upload that video, I need a thumbnail for that video. And I made an error at this point. Some things are very important when you're uploading your video to YouTube. The dimension, the aspect ratio of which you upload your video. I thought I'm uploading this video as a short. I didn't know that it was more than 3 minutes. For your shorts, it's 3 minutes. For your long form video, anything from 3 minutes. I didn't know that the video was 3 minutes 36 seconds. So I created my thumbnail to fit for a thumbnail of a short. So it came as a portrait, not as a landscape. Short form video are portraits. Short form video for shots of YouTube, for TikTok, for Facebook. That's what they call short form video. They come as a portrait. Okay, so I've created that thumbnail already. Now I've just gone to my gallery to pick my video, and I shared it from my gallery to YouTube. So that's another way you can upload. You can be on YouTube and click and upload from YouTube, or you can upload from your gallery. So I'm uploading this from my gallery. I just use the share button, and then I looked for the YouTube icon because I was already open to that channel. So I just picked on it and then shared it on my channel, on my new channel. So now that it's uploaded, I need to take care of some things. I need to, add a title to the video. So I just put the title of the song, Father Lift Me Up. I'm going to go back there to edit that title. I'll put my name in that title. Then I allowed the video to remain on public. That means as soon as I upload, it will be uploaded to the public. Then I try to change the thumbnail because it's a new channel. I still need to verify the channel with my phone number. So I decided that let me just go and do other things. So I want to pick my audience. This is not for kids. It is for everybody more than kids. Then I need to add description to the video. At this point, the description of that video too was not available. And I didn't want to type just anything. I wanted it to be standard. So I went back to ChatGPT. So I indicated that it is AI I used to create this. This is important so that anybody that sees the video, they will know that it is AI. So they won't say, you are doing something, you're trying to do something that is wrong, trying to make you look real. So I've gone back to my ChatGPT to get description, hashtags, and keywords for this video. This helps. It helps your video to do well. It helps your video to do well. So I say for this same video, or I did the thumbnail there already. Give me description, hashtags, and keywords. So I just went ahead and copied those details. It's standard. We look at it. If you can add anything to it, or you can edit it. You can edit it to whatever you want, but at least it gives you a template to use. So I just copied the description and the hashtags, and I went back to YouTube. I pasted it there. Check very well and see that there is nothing out of place there. On that description, you put hashtags. So delete that title hashtags and leave all the hashtags and the description there. So I also went to tags. I clicked on tags. I went back to ChatGPT to pick all the tags and keywords that it has given me to help the video to go far, and I pasted it on that place that says add tags, and I went back and voila, I uploaded my video. There's still one thing I've not done. I'll come back to do, which is working on the thumbnail. So the video is uploading. Depending on how large it is, it will take a while for it to upload. So I allowed it to upload. When it was done uploading, you can see. So I went back there, checked the video. Yes, it's okay. So I still need to edit the thumbnail. The thumbnail is what people see when they are scrolling past your video. So if you don't put the thumbnail you want, it will affect. YouTube will just pick anything for you, and it may not be something you like. So I clicked on edit, and I clicked on that pen on top. So once again, it's asking me to verify. So now I need to add my phone number. I added my phone number, and it's giving me option. Do I want to be called, or do I want text, just to verify that I'm a real person? And I said text me, and I clicked on it, and I went to my message app to check the message from YouTube. As I got there, I looked at the message and I went straight back to YouTube. When you get there, you may see that it has cleared it out. Just click on that thing again to verify, put the number again, and just do the actions again. That's that code it sends you is still valid. So I just put the code I already saw the other time. I just put it. It's still valid, and it verified that I was a real person with a phone number. So back to trying to add a thumbnail. The thumbnail I created before now. So this is where I realized that wow, my video that I created in short form, and this one it is in long form. So the thumbnail that I already created as a short is not going to work for it. So what I did is that I went back to ChatGPT to edit that thumbnail. I edited that thumbnail and said edit this thumbnail to a landscape thumbnail. Landscape. It is in portraits, which is for shorts and for YouTube and Instagram. But I need it for YouTube, which is for shorts and for Facebook and for Instagram. But I need it for YouTube long video. So it has to do it in landscape. And then it edited to landscape. So once again, I downloaded. So download and take it to go back to that place. Click on that pen on the top left, and that's where you'll be able to change your thumbnail. So there you are. The thumbnail is now correct. Then you save it. But this thumbnail issue, there will still be an issue because the thumbnail is in landscape and the video was created in portrait. So in reality, when people are checking my videos, when people are scrolling past my videos, they will still not see this thumbnail because I didn't do it in the right dimension. So be very careful when you are creating your video. Create your video and your thumbnails in the same dimension. Otherwise, YouTube will pick whatever they can see in that video, and it may not favor you. Okay, so that's the short tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel. Bye.